Gang's all here. Let's see who we got. So I don't know who that yellow beetle is up there, but we got that one. This is a big group, man. Got a bunch of new people here. So. Good looking rig. And we got Dave Silva's rig. Dave Silva?
Hey, bro.
Go on, Nick. Hey. Good to be here. When are we bouncing out of here, man?
I'm ready anytime.
I'm ready too.
Get everything resolved.
Roger Carroll's, Jimmy Carter's rig. Hey, Jimmy. Hello there. And I think that's Nick's. And that's 67. That beautiful faux patina is Woody's. And there's Nick Beckman's. Squareback, I think it's a 68. It's a cool rig. Of course, there's my bus, fresh from Moab with the fresh dent right there. Ooh, that was going through a water crossing, but hey, man, it's an adventure bus. And there's Dave's rig. No, there's Josh's rig. All right,
What's up, dog?
gang is all here. fixins right there with sugar and everything. Oh yeah, Mr. Coffee. There's Nick Beckman's rig. There's Nick's. Roger Carroll eating a donut. There's Roger Carroll's beautiful wagon. Look at that new 2007 he's got in there. He's got his dual carbs. Got a belt tensioner in there, nicely painted tins. And let's see what else he has. He's got the fan installed up there. That's cool. I'm gonna do that on the bus bus. This is Dave's Turkish screen, double door, split window, a double cab rather, and that's primer. That's primer tinted to the Turkish screen. There's Roger Carroll's rig, getting some attention. There's Dave, Roger, and the other Dave. Speaking of Dave's, this is Dave Silva's rig. There's Jimmy Carter's. There's a new guy, I don't know his name. There's Susie's rig. Dave's gonna sell this for 10 grand about 15 years ago, and nobody bought it, so he just kept it. He's gonna flip it. It's a cool rig. Check out the horn button. It's just a wire. That's our entire collection. Looks like Susie's got snacks and a game board. There's Mark Hoppus's rig. It's a 37 Ford with a VW motor. VW powered. Buggy. And there's Woody's 67 Faux Patina Beetle. I don't know whose white Beetle it is right now. And then George and his son George are the latest edition. And he's got a really cool awning on his.
Does it have a bed?
This is a rock and roll bed here. So this opens up into a bed. So it's a full 6-foot bed. It comes out to about here. So I sleep in it great. I want to go. I just went to Moab and went on an off-road adventure, and I kept the bed out all the time, and I put my cargo boxes to the side, and I just slept in the middle.